So you want to learn how to build a successful business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how I went from $0 to over $1 million in yearly revenue at 20 years old. So stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vala, and over a year ago, my best friend and I decided to start our own business. Fast forward to now, we have over 30 employees and the company's generating over $1 million a year. Recently, I've been getting a ton of messages from friends and family about how we built our business so fast. When I was starting my business, I wish I would have had someone to learn from. At the time, it was just me and my best friend, and we had to learn it all by ourselves. Now, let me just say, I'm no one special. I'm just a regular 20-year-old guy who knew that the 9-to-5 route was not for me. And that's when the idea hit. Why don't I start a YouTube channel for people just like you and I, where I help you guys grow your business, get your money right, and live a life that you want to enjoy? And let me just mention, I'm not a dropshipper, I don't trade Forex or anything like that. I tried it and it failed. Currently, I'm 20 years old. I like to invest in the stock market and I like to have fun. So with that being said, let's get straight into it and let's go over the top 3 things that help me genuinely take my business to the next level. Tip number 1, 9 out of 10 businesses fail within the first 5 years of them starting. That's millions and millions of businesses. What makes you think that doing this as a side hustle is gonna work? I know this sounds very cliche, but this is genuinely the number 1 thing that helped me take my business to the next level. So thankfully, this happened to me on accident. As I was building my business, I was also working another job. They basically asked me, pick your job or pick your business. But I should also mention that there was another dilemma. At the time, I was currently getting engaged. So can you imagine how hard it was telling your girlfriend that you're quitting your job, trying to build a business, and to marry you? Well, thankfully she said yes. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Obviously, I decided to quit my job and go all in on my business. This is when that fire kicked in. This is the feeling that every business owner needs to feel. This is literally what got us to hustle and find work. Because we're so desperate for work, it felt like clients were breaking through our doors, and this is exactly what we needed to do, and that's when we realized it all. If it wasn't for my job having me pick between my job or my business, I genuinely don't think the business would have lifted off the ground. Tip 2, business is one of those things where there is no plan B. You either survive or you die. Luckily for all of us, humans are naturally built to survive. So put yourself in this situation. One thing I commonly see is people just not believing in themselves. It's crazy how many people last year were telling me that starting a business was just not possible. Now, over a year later, those same people are now trying to start their business because they saw the way my best friend and I built our business and how it actually is possible. So lesson learned, don't be that person that wishes you would have started a year ago. And also, if you're at the beginning stages of building a business, trust me, I get it. I know it's embarrassing to tell everyone you're starting a business, but guess what? Nothing great comes easy in life. Business owners are honestly just regular people who figured out how to make money without doing the work. So don't think that Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos are a different kind. They're just like us, and anyone can do this. So once again, once you believe in yourself, that's when everything starts. Quick interruption guys, in the next video I'm going to be giving you guys a behind the scenes look of what we do here at the office and how things work, so make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss it. Back to you, Vala. Tip number 3, niching down in your business is something that's very important, but a lot of people just don't realize it. When we were starting our business, our intent was just to help other people build businesses because we know how hard it is to build a business. We started by offering marketing services, video editing service, graphic design services, and literally anything you can think of. So that's when we realized that we really just need to focus on one thing and be the best we can be at this one thing. So we decided to choose video editing. Having all this extra time to really just focus on video editing has now allowed us to become the #1 subscription-based video editing company in the world. And all the money that we're bringing in is really just from video editing right now. And now we're finally able to start opening up our niche and start doing other things as well. All the money that comes in from our video editing side of the business is now able to fund these other things, which is very, very helpful. So just to reiterate, really the biggest thing you can do is dominate your sector. Dominate whatever niche you're attacking. Start small. Once you're dominating, then go big. The further you niche down, the more dominant you become in your sector. All right, so those are my 3 tips. I know I didn't dive too deeply into all of those, but I really just wanted to get a video out for you guys so you guys can start watching these and start learning from all of this. There are no big secrets to building a business. Really, the biggest thing is being able to do the work that other people aren't willing to do. Any extra time you have to work on your business, do it, because sooner or later you'll look back and realize how far you've gotten. So that's it, guys. Thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new videos, and comment down below if you guys have any questions or any topics you want to see us talk about next. We're going to be posting every single week, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like, and we'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.